Hi guys, we're going to make cinnamon buttermilk waffles. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and whisk this together now. Now we'll add in 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, plus 1 tablespoon. Now 2 large eggs. And we're going to blend this on medium speed till it's smooth. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 5 minutes before making them. Now if you want to double the batch, you could do that and you could store them in the freezer. Just put them in a Ziploc bag, store them between wax paper or parchment paper, and then take them out when you want to make them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make the waffles up and just follow your waffle iron's directions. So there's the cinnamon buttermilk waffles. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and thank you guys for watching.